Hello everyone, welcome back to the new video. Today video is about a rising social media star who is massive popularity with her beauty, fashion sense and viral dance video. Supriya Mishra. Supriya Mishra is a well-known Instagram influencer, fashion model and content creator. She is famous for her style, saree look, modern outfit idea and smooth dance performance. Her content is a perfect mix of traditional and trend which make her and loved by a wide audience. Supriya started her journey with a simple idea to share her passion for fashion and dance with the world. In the beginning, like many creators, she posts basic photo and short video. But what made her different was her confidence and consistency. She kept posting regularly and improved her content step by step. One of the highlights of her profile is her saree style. Supriya showed that saree and not just traditional outfit but can also be modern style. And she with different color saree dance and style from bright yellow, classic black and white. Every saree look she creates feels fresh and inspiring. Her dance videos are another major reason behind her popularity. Supriya is known for her slow motion dance performance that look smooth and elegant. She famous on body movement and timing which make her video appealing. Many of her reels go viral and receive thousands or even millions of views. Supriya also shares lifestyle content that give her audience a closer look into her daily life, whether it is a moment and finally clip or a behind the scenes video. Keep her content real and relative. This connection with her audience is one of the biggest strengths. As her popularity, Supriya started working with different brands. She collaboration with fashion and lifestyle to promote their product. Brand trust her because she has a loyal audience and her content feel natural, not she parent product in a way that look. Another important factor in her success is her understanding of social media trend. Supriya knows that kind of content people enjoy. She uses trending music, creative, traditional and attractive visual and make her video start out. At the same time, she stay true to her own style, which help her build a strong identity. Her Instagram profile is well organized and visually appealing. Every post adds whether it is a fashion idea, a dance performance, or a lifestyle movement her real and especially because of their quality, lighting and smooth editing